Welcome to my poetry channel, Prince Hamdan fans. My woman, you are not going to forgive me after this. My woman, you are not going to forgive me after this. And maybe you shouldn't. Maybe this time I went too far. Not just crossed a line. I erased it with the fire of my silence, with the sword of my pride. I said I would never hurt you, but tonight my words become blades. I didn't just let go of your hand, I let go of your trust. I walked away not because I didn't love you, but because I was scared of how much I did. And in fear, a man can become something even he doesn't recognize. I saw the tears you tried to hide behind that warrior face. The queen in you never begged, but your soul screamed louder than any voice I have ever heard. I saw the trembling in your fingers as you turned away. The heartbreak in your silence was louder than all my shouted excuse. I don't know how to ask for forgiveness when I know I don't deserve it. And yet here I am bleeding on the page because words are all I have left. I cannot undo what I have done, but I can carve the truth into every line of this poem. You gave me every chance, even when I gave you confusion. You gave me peace, and I gave you storms. I pushed you away, so I won't have to admit how badly I needed you. I kept secrets, so I wouldn't have to show how broken I still am inside. You saw the prince, the one who stands tall, but you also saw the boy who still hides in the shadows. You loved both, and I betrayed both of us. My woman, you are not going to forgive me after this, but I still have to speak. I still have to tell you that I remember everything. The way your eyes lit up when I whispered forever. The way you fixed your hair before I walked into the room. Even when you pretended not to care. The way you waited, always waited. Even when my calls came too late. Even when I forgot how lucky I was to be loved by a woman like you. They say every king falls in love once. You were my once, you were my always, and maybe you still are. Tonight, I won't defend myself. I won't justify. I won't ask you to pretend it don't hurt. Because it did. Because you did. I did. I hurt you, not just once, but in slow, sharp ways that cut deeper than I will ever fully know. My love, you may never forgive me after this, but please don't ever think you weren't enough. Please don't ever believe that your love was wasted. You loved like reality, graceful, powerful, fights, and I bowed to nothing but my ego. I failed you. I failed us. But in this failure, I found a mirror, and in that mirror, I finally saw the man you always believed I could become. I just hope it's not too late to become him. You once said, love is more than a feeling, it's a fight. And I didn't fight hard enough, but now I am ready. Even if your heart never lets me back in, even if your voice never speak my name with softness again, I will still fight for your peace, for your healing, for your smile to return. Not because I deserve you, but because you deserve everything I failed to give. I write this tonight not to ask for forgiveness, but to surrender to truth. And maybe that's the first real gift I have ever given you. So if your goodbye is final, if your footsteps never go back through our doorway of memories, know this. You were my going, you were my redemption, you were my greatest story, and my biggest regret is making you doubt, even for a second, that you were anything less than priceless. My woman, you are not going to forgive me after this, but I forgive myself only through the pain you leave behind, and I carry it with honor. If love means letting go, then I let you go with reverence. But if love means fighting, and there is still a breath of chance left, then I am here on my knees, not begging, just hoping. Because losing you taught me who I am, and maybe who I was always meant to be. this poem touch your heart, like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye.